Mentakasi ke Sterik Jemang Arajar Penru ke Meklia SSA School Teachers Association Central Body ber ke Meklia Fourth Teachers Association kelah Pynkup burom yau Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma ha ke jalang ke belalong Hamadan student jayau kum ke jing burom ya ke Sarkar Jela ke belah Pyntrei kam ya ke structure pay framework ya ke jing siew tulop ya ke nonghikai ha ke negasi lah Pynkup burom ro yau sumbut Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela ba Preston Tunsong Menteri ke Tenat Pule Putih ke Jela ba Lakman Remboy Menteri nonghikai Pyntrei Timothy D. Shira, Menteri Berdipek Yakatnat Pendek Pensa Ariti Dustur Ba Sanbor Shulai, MLA ka Sning Dr. Celestin Lengdo, Baru Commissioner Secretary Katnat Pule Putih Vijay Menteri. Habakran Hagane Jalang Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Lapan Pawik Jinsungu Yakaseng Jongkino Hikai Kebelapan Kuburom Yak Sarkar Mentakasni, Baru Ulaong Ba Kino Hikai Kela Syabun Kijinge Hagane Kesniam Nado Usniam Araja Khanriu Hakati Kesniam Ude MP Shalok Sabha, Ban Menta Lala Ban Penulong Ban Penbek Yak Rukom Siew Tulop Yak Kino Hikai. Long ba kene jing lek benawan ra yak jing penbek hak bede bek jing siwe ketulop Menteri Rang Ba ul ai ke berom syabaro ito beladon meta ban penbek yak ne rukom ban siwe ketulop ke bathamai syagno hikai ke balatrekam nadu terik yong arajar apun riu bar menta kasngi udap dag jing kemen ban i kadur khmat bopho samki jong gino hikai bar kene kan sawan ra yak jing kala hak pule puti hak jela
I must take this opportunity to really express my sincere gratitude to all of you. Very rarely does it happen, for politicians especially, that we are honored and we are thanked for whatever we do. But as Christians, we always believe that kindness and gratitude is something that should be part of what we are as human beings. And I'm so happy that today the SSA Association as well as the Fourth Teachers Association, in thousands, I was surprised to see the number of teachers out here. Really surprised. So on behalf of my entire cabinet, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for organizing this wonderful program. And I would like our cabinet colleagues to please give a round of applause for our teachers who have organized this wonderful program. Thank you so much. But while I say that, what we are experiencing today and how we have reached here today, as has been seen in the video clip that we just saw, has been a very long and difficult journey. You have been through a lot. You have sacrificed a lot. You have gone through a lot of pain and you have gone through a lot of struggle. I'm only happy that I could be part of this journey with you from 2016 when I was a member of parliament till the point today when we are actually able to come to some kind of a solution to ensure that the service that is given by our teachers is recognized. The dignity that you deserve is given. The financial stability that your family and individually at your level that you deserve is being given. And while there are many issues that could still be there in the future, but I'm happy to see that we have all worked together to make this day a possibility. And therefore, I would like to thank God Almighty, for we are all instruments in His hand. We have all our responsibilities given to us by Him. Whether it is your president, whether it's any of the teachers, whether it's the education minister, deputy chief minister, all the officials, there is a purpose for each one of us. And it is God's plan that has made all of this possible.